Okay, so I'm excited. Now it's time for the pricked collection. I'm just so excited. Okay, so I will start with, like I started on the last one, it's the biggest part. So we've got, I already tore into it, but this is, can you guess? Y'all, just 1 second. Look at this mirror. Oh my gosh. Literally. Oh, I'm gonna knock everything over. This is so cute. Oh, I just can't get over it. Pretty sure that went with the Star Ranch or the pink, not the Pink Religion. I have no idea, but I ordered it at the same time. So I got that because even though I have a mirror in front of me, some things just require you being like this close. Holding a mirror is just, it kind of helps. Every collection that he puts out has a theme, obviously. And so we went through, you know, the green with the money, and then we went Pink Religion, and now the pricked is going to be orange. So everything, I mean, look at this. Like it's orange with that gold embossed, like, okay. Pretty, so pretty. I love his packaging. Okay, so first up is Bite My Lip, and I'm not sure if this is new or, look how cute, it's even orange up top. This is such a pretty color. I really can't even explain this, but that is just, that's so pretty. Okay, so the next color is Play Your Luck. You can see that. And let's see. This is pretty. I'm not sure it's going to look good on me though. I tend to usually stay away from these colors. They kind of just wash me out. I would say it's lighter than this. Maybe I can use it in a video or something just to see and show y'all, and then probably wipe it off. Again, when I saw that color, that shade online, it is so pretty. Like, okay, next I got another Velour lip scrub and extremely yummy edible vegan. So all of his products are, I think, clean, super clean. And this is the, yeah, Velour lip scrub orange gummy bear. Y'all, oh my gosh, why does this stuff get me so excited? Like, why is just fancy, just fancy. Look how freaking cute this is. I'm gonna taste it. Oh my gosh. Is this candy, yes or no? This is a good scrub. He has so many flavors. Like, I highly recommend using this. That was so good, it tastes like candy. Okay, so the moment that I've been waiting for, the last product, I'm pretty sure, is the, wow, how did it just, okay, so this, all of the, his packaging is just it. Like, even all the wrap in there is just always on. Like, I'm not even about to reach for the other, but y'all, this palette, what? Y'all, what? I don't even, I need to rearrange my palettes because, like, these need to be seen. Like, they're not just your average rectangle square palette, y'all. It looks like a bag. Oh my God. How freaking cute is this? Okay, so, I mean, it doesn't get any cuter than this. This literally feels like leather. Matches everything. It has a little clasp that you just do that and open her up. Y'all, how freaking cute is this? Opens like this. Y'all just saw how dirty my desk was. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's got the little protector. I'm trying to like hold this and take this off so I don't jam my finger in one of the shades. Just look at that. Like, what? These are such pretty fall colors. And I see that little pop of green down there. And that's just like you know, with some orange and then maybe that just in the very center. Y'all, these fall colors, like, these are so pretty. Some of really pretty, just neutral shades and warm as well. Like, these are so pretty. These are very, very wearable shades here. And then I wonder if you can really see. This looks like, let me see. Oops, I actually already touched the palette. Let's see. Y'all, look. That's the white. Holy crap. That is so pretty. Okay, now I want to try this one right here. That was that one, obviously, because I just dug my finger in it. Look how freaking pretty that is. Okay, I've got to do this shade. I really do. Oh, it's so soft. Y'all, he's got some of the best, like, formulas. Okay. Okay. I have to use it real quick. I can do a simple eye look. And I always choose to start these too late. But I've got to. Just a quick one. Just a quick one. I really need to be using the JFC brushes, but all mine are dirty, so. Okay, for starters, I'm going to go into, I just can't help it. I don't know. I think I'm going to do both of the, oh my gosh. I think I'm going to do this one, the cutting edge, and then unpeeled, wait, what does that say? Unpeeled pleasure right here. So I'm going to do this one all kind of above my crease, and then I'm going to do that one in my crease, but blend it out. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. Hello. Okay. Cutting edge. Little powdery. That kind of, to me, means they're going to blend better or blend easier. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look how easy that blended. These are pretty powdery. They do have some kickback in the pan, but I don't see any fallout. That is just beautiful. I could leave it there and put some mascara on, but who makes videos and just does that, you know? That is so pretty. Like, I just keep wanting to apply it. I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line just for some dimension, because I'll be putting whatever other color under there and just be a little messy with it. That's fine, because it's a transition shade. Next shade I'm going to go into is the Unpeeled Pleasure, and I'm going to focus that more in my crease and then blend up. I need to be using one of my mirrors. Holy crap. Y'all, this is so pretty. I'm going to try not to get in y'all's way. I'm probably going to do like a halo eye. I don't know how close I was. So I'm just going to put it in the very inside corner and the very outside. Look at those colors. Y'all, my horns are in, oh, there we go. This is so pretty. Just giving it a moment. Giving it its own moment. Y'all, oh my gosh. Why am I so obsessed with, I love these colors on every color eye. Like, it makes blue eyes pop, it makes brown eyes pop. Just the one. That is beautiful. Put on the lower lash line. All right. Do you see how easy that blended? And you can go back in with your first brush that you use with the lightest color and just kind of blend any edges that you may have or may have created. Next, I'm going to take an even smaller brush and I'm going to go into Mysterious Circumstances. Yeah, let's do that. I'm going to put it even more on the edge of the corners of my eye, but I'm not going to blend it out as high as I did the other. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed with these colors. I did not realize I was going to like them this much. Like, I think the green palette for me is going to be more of like a collector's thing, because I love collecting his stuff. He puts so much time into it, you can tell. And I just appreciate that. And I love it. You'll see my shelf in just a minute and you'll understand. And with my lower lash line, I'm just going to do the same on the bottom as I did on the top. So you see how I only put it in the corner? So I'm gonna do that now that I'm with it, now that I'm on this darker shade. That is so pretty, y'all, so pretty. I'm gonna darken it, the corner, like, where's me a super small brush? Like super duper small, hang on, let me see. All these brushes, and I'm gonna take a super small brush. Do you see that? See that sweat? Like, what? It's hot. I have a problem of holding any brushes that I've used in my hand, so I can go back and blend when I need to and not be confused because I've got a million sitting here. I'm gonna use this little one, and I'm gonna go into double crossed, and I'm just gonna lightly pack that on. Dust it off or it'll fall on your face. I really don't like this brush. Moving on to the next one. I'm looking for a specific one, and there it is. You people would be like, dude, clean your desk and you'd find things. All right, here we go. You can see I'm like stamping that on because I don't want too much. I don't want it to cover up anything. Twisted Taste. You see, just I'm giving it a little dimension there, putting it on the outside. I'm still shook from this freaking Frost highlighter. Like, I would never buy a green highlighter. But it's like, it's not green. Like, that's what I mean. Like, some things are deceiving and they freak you out and you're like, holy crap, I would not buy a green highlighter. Like, it's not green. It just has a shift of green. All right, done with the halo eye. I said something simple, and I'm just gonna repeat that on the very bottom. So right here, and right here, and then right there. This is what the halo eye should look like. Something like this. And I left the center open if you didn't notice. And that is where I'm about to put some shimmer. So I'm just gonna put it right in the middle. And I guess the two that I showed you guys, what is this Pulp Addiction? I've gotta see it. We've got those three, let's see. That is so, stop it. Stop it right now. That is pretty. I wanna use all three. Let's just be real extra. Oh my God, that is freaking beautiful perfection. I'm actually gonna bring this up just a little bit just to keep the effect going. Holy crap. Now I'm gonna go into Fashion Horror, which was that orange one. I probably should have put this one. Wow, that's so pretty. Probably should have put the Fashion Horror on first, but I really don't care at this point. Like, it is so pretty. And now I want to do, let me just put a little bit more right here. That's so pretty, y'all. Like, happy fall, y'all. No, stop. All right, now I'm going to put the pale in comparison just a little bit in the very center. You see what I did there? See what I did there? You see that, like, right above your, what? I mean, mine went blank there. Cool. And it lightens your eyes. Like, people with light eyes, they don't have to do this step. But for darker eyes, it does, like, make your dark eyes pop. Last step is I'm going to put right here in the center, do the same thing I did on top. So I'm just going to put some of the shimmers there. And it actually picks up on a brush. Holy crap. Yeah. Wow. Most shimmers do not pick up on a brush like that. I don't have any fallout. Let me get that other shade. And I don't even know if you can see, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna take that white shade. Why did I do it right there? What is wrong with me? This guy, you know, he was uninvited to the party, but sometimes you just gotta let people in, you know? Sometimes you just kind of, you know, if it's like a must, you just, like, come on in. No one wants you here. No one wants you here, but my finger looked extremely short when I did that. Okay, so I'm done with the palette. It's beautiful. Now let me put on some liner and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look using the new Pricked palette by Jeffree Star. I really do love it. The shades are so vibrant. The shimmers are just like out of this world. His formula is always just like on point. And this is so perfect for fall. So this is the finished eye look. I did have some problems with my mascara, so I had to let it dry, went to touch my eyelid, and then scrape it off, but we made it work, and I have to go get my little boy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked, don't forget to give a thumbs up for this video. Comment if you have any suggestions or if you want me to try anything else. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell if you want to get notified of any future videos that I make. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good week. See you next time. All right, like I said, my Jeffree Star collection, I have it right here. I just put in this, oh, where's my hand? Okay, I just put in this Star Ranch palette and the one with the singles. And I'm gonna rearrange my shelves because I want this to be up front and these to be shown a little more, but I just thought that was cute. And I still have this Pink Religion. I'm sorry, I'm probably making you guys dizzy. I still have this Pink Religion one, and yeah, I really got to redo them because I want that like shown.